Everybody go to breakfast.
Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you all for your support, your comments and your love. I really appreciate it. So this morning I was trying to prepare a new recipe, which is banana pancakes. So I was preparing my stuffs to prepare the banana pancake. I've listed the things that I've used in the video. So after that, I prepared the banana pancake. I went to the salon to have my hair done. After the salon, then I went to the nail tech. I don't know if there's a name they have for them. So I went there to have my nails, my hand, my fingernails and my toenails polished. They do their things for me, and I came back home and ate some banku and slept. Usually I didn't really do anything on Saturday. I didn't go anywhere. I just rest for the day. The following day was Sunday. Sunday I was not able to go to church. Yeah, so I just continue my days like that. I fried the rest of the pancake from the previous day. I ate. I didn't sleep, I just rest for a while. Then good morning guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, you are welcome. If you are old, chop kiss. So I just finished with my breakfast. I'm going to have my hair braid, but first I will relax it first because it has been 3 months since I relaxed my hair, and these are all natural hair, my natural hair. So I'm going to relax my hair, then braid a cornrow. That stuff, never braid that stuff before, so I'm going to try and see if it will fit me. I'll take you guys along, so stay tuned. Prepare my dinner. I prepare a stew Sunday evening and also keep the rest for the week. Yeah, so later on I prepare sobomu also. I prepare sobomu. I didn't add any spices to this one. I just added pineapple skin. Is it skin or peel? Whatever it is called. I added pineapple peel to it and just cook it and add sugar to it, and it was so nice. So probably that's what I did for the weekend. I hope you enjoy watching this. Thank you all. Please, if you're watching this and you have not subscribed, please do well and subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you all. See you in the next one. Bye.
Okay.